Tired of boring glasses? Meet SAFEBAO LED glasses. 7 colors, 4 modes, 1 pair, infinite vibes. Choose your favorite from 7 vibrant hues. Single button control makes switching modes easier than flipping pancakes. Gradient color mode? It's like a rainbow through a party on your face. USB rechargeable because batteries are so last decade. Charge and shine on. Ergonomic design ensures comfort, even if you're dancing like no one's watching. Perfect for parties, concerts, or just confusing your cat at home. Gentle on your eyes, but bold enough to steal the spotlight anywhere. Durable materials mean these glasses can handle your wildest dance moves. Got issues? Our after-sales team is faster than your favorite DJ's beats. SAFEBAO LED glasses, where futuristic style meets customizable light-up fun. Last Friday, I walked into a party feeling like a total wallflower. Everyone was dancing, laughing, and glowing, literally glowing in neon lights. I thought, how do I compete with that? Glow sticks? Too basic. Then I remembered my secret weapon, my SAFEBAO LED light-up glasses. With one button, bam! 7 colors lit up my face like a disco ball. Someone yelled, "Whoa, are you from the future?" I just smiled. I switched to the flashing gradient mode. Instant crowd magnet, no effort needed. No eye strain, no awkward fumbling, just pure rechargeable brilliance. By the end of the night, I wasn't just at the party, I was the party. SAFEBAO LED glasses, because blending in is so last century. Customer reviews, 4.4 out of 5 stars, no one. My best friend is a DJ, so I decided to purchase these glasses for him for Christmas. Definitely boosts his aesthetic. He loves them. They're durable, rechargeable, and has bold colors that aren't blinding. The strobe setting is quite strong though, so I don't recommend setting them that way if you're sensitive to harsh lighting. But there are several static colors to choose from, so it's still worth the buy. 2, so I love this. For 1,